What if your training content could write itself? In this short clip, you'll see how Manifest Maker uses AI to turn a simple video into clear, step-by-step work instructions automatically.
One of the main reasons that I wanted to use Manifest Maker in creating this procedure was I wanted to harness the auto generate steps function. So what I'll do is I'll give Manifest Maker this 35-second video, and I'm going to tell it to generate a step-by-step procedure using just this video. And what this is doing is really following the talk track of the video and breaking it into steps where it sees fit. And this is what it came up with. So we see that there's a 4-step procedure here, and each step is supported with a step instruction, a text note, and a video clip that was pulled from the master. So I'm going to add these 4 steps to my template. And from here, I'm going to add some additional content and color where I want it.